Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. Olivia's family has asked me to build an extra bedroom for them. Hello Olivia. Hey JoJo, we want an extra room for our house. Yes please, we need a bedroom addition please. Okay, I can get that done quite easily. This is how the original Olivia's house looks like, with Father Peter, Mum Anna, we have a veggie garden, and we have the 4 rooms, plus a deck area up the top. So everything else I have kept the same as the original. There's the bathroom, and that was Olivia's bedroom. I'll spin this around so you can see what it looks like for the last time. And I need to go and get all my bricks ready so we can start building. But first, I need my hard hat and ruler so we can do all the measurements. Okay, so I have kept the bedroom the same. This is going to be Olivia's room. It's the same as the old one, as it's going to tie in nicely to the house. I've added a nice rug. So I have made a sister for Olivia, and this is Layla, and they will be sharing the room together. That's why I love Lego. You can create whatever story you like. So here's a bed. This will be Layla's bed, and I have used purple sheets and a pink and yellow pattern. This bed will be Olivia's bed, and this came from the original Mia's bedroom set that came out way back when. And now here will be the start of a little chest of drawers, which I will show you how to build. Here we are. We will start with a plate and some snot bricks to make this chest of drawers. We have a 2x4 plate going on out the front and some sloped curved tiles. And you can make this chest of drawers any colour you like. I had all these spare parts, so I thought let's make it yellow and it'll look pretty colourful for their bedroom. There we are, look at that. That looks great. It's a nice big chest of drawers for the 2 girls. I'll pop it in here now, and now we need some accessories to put on top. Here's a silver lamp, and I've put a star on top. There we go. And look at this radio I have made. Pretty snazzy. The girls like listening to music. So here I'll put one of those studs with a hole in it, so then we'll be able to place it on an angle on top of the chest of drawers. If I can get it on. There we go. And a vase of flowers to brighten up the room. And I had to put this teddy in. It's not a Lego piece, it's a Mega Bloks, but I love it. And Layla's in her room. She doesn't have to sleep on the couch. Okay, we are going to replace this section. And we'll pop Olivia's and Layla's room in here now. Look at that, it fits perfectly. I have a glass door here, and we're going to put this in the parents' bedroom because they'll be able to go out on top of the deck out of their bedroom. Look at this, it fits in nicely. Yay! Look how good it looks with the 2 bedrooms for this house. It really needed it, and Mum and Dad can enjoy the private deck. I think the house needs a garden makeover as well, so we're going to remove the swing, the garden, and change the top deck. Here's the empty garden. So Olivia has an extra cat, and I had this cat's playground laying around. I thought, oh, we could use this for her house so the cats can have a nice cat stand. We'll pop it here on the side. That's on an 8x8 plate, by the way. And here is Olivia's treehouse. So I had a few of these, and I thought, oh, why don't I tie it in with the house, and it'll make a great addition to a garden. This is what it looks like at the bottom, so I've modified it a little bit for it to fit here because it's quite a tight spot. You just have to press it down gently so it doesn't fall apart. There we are. See, that's where it's sitting. And I've got the ladder at the back for her to climb up still. And the cat's food, gotta fix that up. Look at that, fits snugly. Okay, see how I've put this brick with the hole in it at the bottom there? Because we are putting her swing back in. And it's going to be like a tree swing. And I'll just fit it in there. Look, her tree swing. Very good. Now it's time for the letterbox. We'll put it over here. And I'm going to put fencing all along the front. And now some yellow plants to put in the corner here where I couldn't fit the fence. Look at that swing. And oh, that's right, I forgot about the box with the gems that came with the treehouse. So we'll pop it back in here underneath so it's all hidden and secret. More plants over here in the corner. And I am putting the sun lounge at the front here. Thought, oh, it'll be nice being under the tree. Look at that. Oh, just fix this plant, it fell over. There we are. Look. Oh, Olivia, she's excited. She's trying out the sun lounge in the beautiful garden area. Her sister Layla's going up in the treehouse. Yes, she's enjoying it. She's waving to everyone. Now it's time for the rooftop deck area, and I'm popping the barbecue up here. It'll be nice having a barbecue on the deck for those summer nights. We're putting up a plant, add some greenery. Oh, very nice. And the table goes up here with the sausage. Oh dear, I've lost the sausage. Hang on everyone, I've got to find that sausage. There it is. Phew. Okay. Now 4 stools will be going up here so everyone can sit and relax. What a nice relaxing area. I have decided to have my lunch up here and that sausage looks good. My cat's joining me and Olivia's cat decided to come too. And who have we got here? Oh, Olivia's keeping me company. She's thanking me for her room. Last final touch, I'll replace this brick with one that has a stud in it because I'm going to put a vine up the side of the room. I think that will just finish off the front of the house. Look at that. Oh wow, check out the house now with the tree house, a beautiful garden, and now it has 5 modular additions to it. It looks great. Here I am measuring up the room to see if it will fit. And I had to take a closer look at this beautiful sunflower. Peter and Anna are enjoying their bedroom that Olivia gave to them. And the girls are having cuddles from their cats and enjoying their own beds. The original Olivias House contained 695 pieces and it came out in 2012. This was my very first Lego Friends set and I fell in love with the theme. And I bought 4 of these houses because I just love them. And the colours are great for you to build other buildings with. So I hope you enjoyed what I did with my house and what you can do to yours. So everyone, get your bricks out, get building and get creative.